national capital, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, in his first address post his release from jail yesterday, wasted no time for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP, where he said they want to finish us, he said. And alleged Prime Minister Modi will attack BJP leaders. In fact, Prime Minister Modi will attack the opposition leaders and claimed leaders like Hemant Soren, ministers of Mamata Banerjee party, are in jail. And he also went on to say that Mamata Banerjee, MK Stalin and Pinarayi Vijayan, Tejaswi Yadav, Uddhav Thackeray are all other opposition leaders who will be in jail next. In fact, saying that, mark my words, they will be next in jail, particularly Mamata Banerjee. In fact, just moments from now, there's going to be a road show that's going to be held in the National Capital Region as well. In South Delhi particularly, it's around Mehrauli area. So there's, of course, going to be security measures that are going to be taken. If you're planning to travel anywhere south of Delhi, just ensure that you have checked with the advisories that will be out for you. Let's just quickly listen in to reactions.
एक बेहद खतरनाक मिशन चालू किया हुआ है प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, बहुत ही खतरनाक। देशवासियों को ये समझने की, अब जब मैं बोलने जा रहा हूं, समझने की जरूरत है। उस मिशन का नाम है वन नेशन वन लीडर। देश के सारे नेताओं को खत्म करना चाहते हैं मोदी जी, और इसको दो स्तर के ऊपर इस मिशन को चला रहे हैं। जितने विपक्ष के नेता हैं उनको जेल भेजेंगे, और जितने बीजेपी के नेता हैं उनको सबको निपटा देंगे, उनकी राजनीति खत्म करते जाएंगे, उनको सबको निपटाते जाएंगे। विपक्ष के अंदर आज इन्होंने मनीष सिसोदिया को जेल भेज दिया, संजय सिंह को जेल भेज दिया, सत्येंद्र जैन को जेल भेज दिया, केजरीवाल को जेल भेज दिया, हेमंत सोरेन को जेल भेज दिया, ममता दीदी के कई मंत्रियों को जेल भेज दिया, स्टालिन के कई मंत्रियों को जेल भेज दिया, केरला के सीएम के पीछे पड़े हैं। अगर ये चुनाव जीत गए, मेरे से लिखवा लो एफिडेविट के ऊपर, थोड़े दिन के बाद ममता दीदी जेल में होंगी, तेजस्वी यादव जेल में होगा, स्टालिन साहब जेल के अंदर होंगे, पिनरई विजयन जेल के अंदर होंगे, उद्धव ठाकरे जेल के अंदर होंगे, जितने विपक्ष के नेता ये सारे जेल के अंदर होंगे।
केजरीवाल जी अब जेल रिटर्न चीफ मिनिस्टर्स के एलीट क्लब में शामिल हो गए हैं। ये वो क्लब है जो बहुत पुरानी सदस्यता जिन लोगों ने ली है। 1997 में लालू प्रसाद यादव जी इस क्लब के सदस्य बने। 1996 में तमिलनाडु की मुख्यमंत्री जयललिता जी इस क्लब की सदस्य बनी। फिर सन 2000 में तमिलनाडु के मुख्यमंत्री करुणानिधि जी जेल रिटर्न क्लब के सदस्य बने। तो इस इंडी गठबंधन के लिए मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगा, देखिए कितनी मजेदार बात यह है, जो दहाड़ दहाड़ के कहते थे शीला दीक्षित जी को जेल में डाल देंगे, जो चिंगाड़ चिंगाड़ के कहते थे सोनिया गांधी जी को जेल में डाल देंगे, तिहाड़ में जाकर उनके सुर कैसे बदल गए कि वो आकर इन्हीं के आगे नतमस्तक हो गए।
All right, and I'm being joined by my colleague Nikhil at this point. Nikhil, where are you right now? What's happening around you? There's going to be a road show that is expected to start any moment from now. Can you see any buzz around you?
Sneha, we are reporting from the Mehrauli constituency. In a short while from now, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, along with his Punjab counterpart, is expected to start a road show. At this point only, this is the beginning point where the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, in a short while from now, they are going to gather here. And also, gradually, the workers of the Aam Aadmi Party, they have started collecting here, they have started gathering here. So this is the start point. You can see the cutouts as well at different nook and corner of this place, where there is presence of Sahiram Pahalwan, who is the candidate of the Aam Aadmi Party from the South Delhi constituency. There is also presence in the hoarding of the Aam Aadmi Party. There is Punjab Chief Minister and Arvind Kejriwal as well, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as well. So this is the first ever road show which is going to be taken out by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal ever since he has been granted bail on the orders of the Supreme Court. And I would urge my camera person Nitin David to show you the proper road. This is the place where the roadshow is going to be carried out, and because of the same, the heavy vehicles have been prohibited to enter from this particular side, from either of these sides, and both the carriageway have only been opened up for the lighter vehicles, for the moped vehicles only. And you can see that there is also deployment of the paramilitary forces. The Delhi police equally have been deployed. There are pickets as well which have been put up here. So we need to see as to what kind of show is being done by Arvind Kejriwal. He already came out with a fiery speech for the very first time, but now is the time, a short while from now, when both the chief minister are going to campaign for the first time after the interim bail of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much for joining us, Nikhil, at the